In this video, you will learn how to read this. To avoid having to write sharps or flats each time they occur in the composition, you can use a key signature. A key signature consists of one or more sharps or flats written in the beginning of each staff. The sharps or flats in the key signature apply to all of the notes with the same name. This makes the music easier to read because the accidentals do not have to be written in front of each note. So the F sharp in the key signature applies to all of the notes that are F, regardless of which octave the note F is located. The sharps and flats in the key signature are always written in the same order on the staff: F, C, G, D, A, E, and B. Here are two different phrases to help remember the order of sharps. Father Clem grows dill and eats beans. Another is Father Charles goes down and ends battle. The order of flats are the order of sharps in reverse order: B, E, A, D, G, C, and F. Here are two different phrases to help remember the order of flats. Battle ends and down goes Charles' father. Another phrase you can use for flats is bacon, eggs, and dill grilled chicken fries. To identify the name of a key signature of sharps, you can take the last sharp and go up a half step. So with this key signature, take the last sharp, which is a D sharp, and a half step up is the note E. So this key signature with 4 sharps is a key of E. So with this key signature, you take the last sharp, which is an E sharp, and the half step up is the note F sharp. So this key signature with 6 sharps is the key of F sharp. With a key signature with flats, take the second to the last flat, and that is the name of the key signature. In this case, is the key of D flat. And here is what you have learned today. Keep practicing, and I will see you in the next video. If you liked the video, please hit like. If you would like to see more videos, please subscribe to my channel. You can also leave a comment or a question in the comment section below.